So boom, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pan from Tech Dude. In this video we are going to talk about best smartphones under 50k, and if you are someone who is looking for smartphones under 50k rupees, this video is definitely for you guys. And one more major thing is that 50k is a price tag which is crucial for smartphone market because it's not on the lower side of the price tag, not on the higher side of the price tag. It is typically in the middle. So if you want to get a perfect smartphone under 50k, then definitely you should watch this video until end. And we are about to achieve 4200 subscribers, so if you are new to this channel, definitely you should subscribe this channel. And let us keep a like target for this video. It is 100 likes, so let us dive into it. So the first smartphone in this 50k price tag is OnePlus 13R, which is an smartphone from OnePlus. It comes with 6.78-inch LTPO 120Hz display with Gorilla Glass i7 protection. Another major thing is that it comes with a triple camera setup with 2x telephoto capabilities. It has two 50 megapixel cameras as well as one 8MP ultra wide cameras, and it comes with 6000 mAh of battery, which will usually last you more than 1.5 day if you are light to medium user. And one more major drawback this smartphone has is that 8MP cameras which OnePlus is offering. So this is a pretty much balanced smartphone if you are looking for slight gaming as well as to do day-to-day tasks easily. But if your primary concern is camera, this smartphone is not for you guys. So another major smartphone is going to launch this month, which is the OnePlus 13s, and it will also expected to launch around 50k. And if you are looking for compact smartphone, then you should definitely go for it. And if camera is your only priority, then you should definitely go with Vivo V40 Pro. You know, Vivo comes with these lenses. So this Vivo V40 Pro has a 50 megapixel triple camera setup. They didn't compromise about cameras, and it also offers decent performance because of this Dimensity 9200 plus processor under the hood. So it is pretty much a balanced smartphone if you are looking for decent performance as well as great cameras, rather than OnePlus, because OnePlus 13R is slight, like you have to compromise on camera. But talking about this Vivo V40 Pro, then you should definitely go for this Vivo V40 Pro if you are looking for cameras. Another major thing is that it comes with 5500 mAh of battery with 80 watts fast charging. I guess 80 watt is mandatory for smartphones nowadays. 80 watt fast charging is a common thing. Another major thing is that it comes with 6.78-inch 120Hz display, which is an AMOLED display, as you know. And if you are someone who is into curved screen smartphone, then you may like this smartphone. There is a major drawback for this Vivo smartphone. It comes with Fun Touch OS, which comes with lots of bloatware. So if you are someone who is looking for an stock Android smartphone, then you should definitely consider Google Pixel 9a. The third smartphone is for stock Android fanboys. If you are someone who is an fanboy of stock Android, then this Google Pixel 9a is for you guys. Talking about the specs, it comes with 6.3-inch OLED 120Hz display, and it has a metallic frame design, and it comes with plastic back. I feel this plastic back feels cheap for the price of 50k. Another major thing is that compared to Pixel 8a, this Pixel 9a has no camera bump. It is just a slight design gimmick. Another major thing is that it is lightweight as well as it is compact, and it feels super handy. And talking about the software updates, you will get 7 years of software updates. So Pixel get Android updates faster than any other smartphone because they make Android. Another major thing is that cameras, it comes with 48 megapixel plus 13 megapixel dual camera setup, which is decent, and the telephoto lens is missing. So yeah. And in this Pixel 9a compared to Pixel 8a, there is a major upgrade in terms of battery. Pixel 8a has a pretty much poor battery life, which we have made prior. We have made a review video, long-term review video about Pixel 8a, so you may check it out. Another major thing with the Pixel series is that A series typically is that bezels. Pixel 8 has thicker bezels as well as Pixel 9 has thicker bezels. Like they doesn't make a huge difference, but if you are someone who is coming with these smartphones which has full display, I mean there is more body to display ratio, then you will feel little bit uncomfortable, but slowly the design will grow on you. You will feel that bezels are nothing. So if you are someone who is into gaming, then you should definitely avoid this smartphone, because it comes with Tensor G3 processor, so it heats up a lot, and it is not a performance oriented processor like previously we have talked about OnePlus 13R, which comes with 8 Gen 3 processor. So it's not performance based smartphone. Another major thing is that the fast charging support on this smartphone is not that great, so you have to compromise it on it. So if you want fast charging, you should go for OnePlus 13R or else Vivo V40 Pro. So there is another smartphone for photographers, which is nothing but it is from Oppo Reno 13 Pro. It comes with a 6.8 inch display with 1.5K curved display, and if you are a fan of curved displays, then you should definitely go for it. One of the major drawback this smartphone has is performance. So it is not a performance based smartphone. It has a decent processor, which is Dimensity 8350, which is a balanced processor which can do day-to-day task pretty much easily. But if you are an hardcore gamer, if you edit videos on smartphone, you do lots of hefty tasks on your smartphone, then this smartphone is not for you guys. And one more major drawback this smartphone has is that color OS. And talking about the camera, it comes with a triple camera setup. It has 250 megapixel sensors as well as 180 MP ultra wide sensors, and it also has a 3.5x zoom. If you are someone who is into photography, you can definitely use this feature. Another major thing is that it comes with a 5800 mAh of battery, which is pretty much huge. And another thing is that it comes with 80 watts fast charging. I said 80 watt fast charging is pretty much mandatory thing nowadays. And if you are someone who is looking for performance, then this iQOO is for you guys. Smartphones for gaming as well as you need a performance based smartphone with better cameras, then you should definitely go for iQOO. It comes with the previous year flagship processor, which is Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, and it is a 1-year-old smartphone, but it doesn't lag pretty much in terms of performance. So it comes with flat display, and it also has a stereo speaker setup. If you're someone who binge watches lots of content on smartphone, then this smartphone is for you guys. Another major thing is that if you're someone who is into BGMI, you play lots of BGMI on your smartphone, it has special software optimization features for it. Another major thing is that it comes with better cameras. On the other side of paper, it has triple camera setup, which comes with 250 megapixel sensors as well as 164 megapixel sensors, and it also has a telephoto thing. And another major drawback is that this smartphone is larger in size. Also it comes with Fun Touch OS. If you're someone who doesn't like Fun Touch OS, this smartphone is not for you guys. And if you have watched this video till here, then you should definitely consider subscribing my channel. So one more major smartphone, if you are looking under 50k, then you should definitely go for Moto H50 Ultra. It comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. It has better performance, but this smartphone comes with throttling issues, unlike iQOO. And one more major drawback is that Moto smartphones are not meant for gaming. If you are looking for gaming, you should definitely go for iQOO. And it has IP68 rating. If you can use it in shower, as well as it can survive minor minor drops as well as minor splashes here and there. And talking about the camera setup, it comes with a triple camera setup. It has 250 megapixels as well as 164 MP camera, and it has 3x portrait lens, which clicks better pictures. And one more major thing is that it comes with 4500 mAh of battery. Like considering to today's standards, it is pretty much less. At least it should come with 1000 mAh more. And one more thing is that if you are someone who is looking for design as well as camera with a decent software experience, then this smartphone is for you guys. And let us talk about Samsung smartphones. And I know until now I didn't include any Samsung smartphone. So there are two suggestions from me if you are looking for Samsung smartphones. One is Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. I know this is not a performance based smartphone. It comes with the Exynos 2400E chipset, which is a decent chipset. You can't do pretty much high intense gaming, but you can manage doing low intense gaming, like you can play for half an hour and 30 minutes. You can't push more than that, and it also handles day-to-day tasks pretty much easily. You can do minor video editing as well as you can do decent stuff on this smartphone. Another major key thing is that it comes with a triple camera setup. It has 50 megapixel sensor as well as 12 megapixel sensor as well as 8 megapixel sensor, and the camera is not a strong point on this device. The camera output is pretty much decent. Another major thing is that it comes with 7 years of One UI updates as well as 7 years of security updates with Samsung Galaxy AI features, which is pretty much handy if you are getting a smartphone from Samsung, that too flagship one. The OS literally Samsung offers pretty much great OS experience or software experience for end user. Another major thing is that it has decent cameras with better build quality, and it has a flagship look and feel. If you are someone who is looking into flagship experience, then you should definitely consider getting Samsung Galaxy S23. I know it is an 2 years old smartphone, but it is coming under the budget of 50k, and it comes with a 8 Gen 2 processor, which is a processor which is 2 years old, but it can still do day-to-day tasks easily. If you are someone who is looking for Samsung smartphone, this is a suggestion for you guys. And it has better cameras as well as better build quality as well as a flagship level experience, and it comes in compact size compared to Samsung Galaxy S20 FE, and you will not get a charger in the box, which is a major drawback. And it also comes with slower charging speeds. If you are someone who lives in on the go things, like you need that Vogue charging as well as Moto's fast charging, then this fast charging feature is definitely missing on this S23. Another thing is that it has better cameras. I mean the camera quality is pretty much decent. It comes with 50 megapixel plus 12 megapixel plus 10 MP setup. It comes with a triple camera, but the output on this I mean the pictures output on this smartphone is pretty much decent, even considering it is a 2 years old smartphone. Another major drawback is that it comes with 3900 mAh of battery, which is pretty much media core battery life, to be honest, in today's standards, because it is a compact smartphone, so they have literally compromised on the battery. So if you are someone who is into camera, then you should definitely go for this smartphone, which is a Xiaomi 14CB. It comes with a Leica camera setup. As you know, Xiaomi have collaborated with Leica for cameras. It comes with 250 megapixel plus 12 MP camera setup, which is a triple camera setup, and it comes with 8s Gen 3 processor, and which is a balanced processor, to be honest. And it comes with 1.5k 120 Hz AMOLED display, and on this smartphone the batteries are media core. You can't expect so much battery life as well as so much I mean the battery life on this smartphone is not that great. Talking about the smartphone cameras, it comes with Leica so camera setup, so it has specific filters for it, as well as if you are someone who doesn't like HyperOS, then this smartphone is not for you guys. So if you are someone who need a smartphone for camera use, you should definitely go for this smartphone. So that's it for this video guys. If you are new to this channel, drop a like, drop a comment, subscribe my channel. Take you.